Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with Sips By. If you're not familiar with Sips By, this is a monthly tea subscription box. So today I'm doing a ton of unboxings because we're traveling over Easter. That sounds like fun, right? It is going to be fun, hopefully. So I'm getting them all in right now. My blog is broken. Life is kind of crazy. What's new? So anyway, this is a tea subscription box. It is completely customized based on your preferences. When you sign up for Sips By, you're going to tell them the flavors you like, the flavors you don't like, the caffeine level you prefer, and all that good stuff. And from there, they will create a box for you. Every box has 4 different teas. Boxes are $15 a month. And then once you get your box, you try everything out. You can go on Sips By's site and further customize your profile. Like if you liked it, if you didn't like it. What's more, they even include coupon codes if you want to buy more of a certain tea at the retailer website. They usually give you a coupon code so that you can get a discount on it. So it's a really great tea discovery box. I will link down below to Sips By with my affiliate link. I'll also link to my full review on my blog once it goes up there, which who knows, just waiting. It's a waiting game now. Anyway, can you tell I'm annoyed? All right, let's get in here. This is our March box, it says March teas, and then on the back, it tells us all of our teas and everything. I have to put tape on my wrist, it really hurts. Everything is listed along with their coupon codes, caffeine level, and a little bit about the company. We'll look at that at the end. Oh my gosh, you need to go away. All right. All right, let's get to this. First, we have from Zest Tea. This is their energy tea, the Blue Lady. There are 4 of these. No jitters, no crash. This is black tea with 150 megs of caffeine in it, which is more than coffee. Ingredients are flowery orange pico tea, natural tea extract, hibiscus, natural passion fruit flower, orange peel, cornflower petals, natural orange flavor, and natural lemon flavor. I've never tried this one. I know that I tried the other one and it was a little too caffeinated for me since I'm trying to like cut down on my caffeine. But I will try this out because it is just pico tea, which, you know, there's no added caffeine, I'm guessing. I hope. So there is that. There's 4 of those. Next, we're going to move on to this red tea. This is the Good Vanilla Hope. By the way, for my box, I like flower teas, florals, and I like a mixture of caffeinated and herbal teas. So this is naturally caffeine-free Rooibos blended with vanilla bean, and these are round tea bags. Oh, this is Republic of Tea. Look at those packages. I couldn't even tell. So if you're familiar, Republic of Tea creates those little circular tea bags. So in this, we have Rooibos, which is red. It has a really cool red color to it. Natural vanilla flavor and vanilla beans. Just those are 3 ingredients. So there's 4 sachets of that. Every box from Sips By comes with some disposable tea bags. These are amazing. I love it because you do receive loose leaf tea in this subscription box. It's not all bagged. All right, 2 more to go. This is from Cookie Tea, who comes, they send their teas in this box a lot. This is the black tea almond cookie, and it does have caffeine. There's 4 servings in here. It says, this sweet nostalgic treat will remind you of neighborhood bakeries and after-school snacks. The almond cookie black tea blend combines traditional black tea with the decadence of almond for an indulgent cup. Try adding your favorite milk for a delicious cookie tea latte. In this bag, we have black tea, sliced almond, cinnamon flavor, and safflower petals. It does contain nuts. So there's that. That sounds really good. I'm excited for that one. Finally, we have Pure Cure Skin Care. Okay. This is 0.5 ounces, and this says it's their morning Radiance Tea. This is loose, obviously. In here, we have organic spearmint, young hyson green tea, raspberry leaf, rose petals. I love rose. Freeze-dried pomegranate arils, safflower petals, and stevia leaf. I'm not a huge stevia person, but I'm going to try this out anyway because it does have rose in it, and it is for your skin, which is great. Green tea is like, they say, I know putting it on your skin, just like caffeine, it will tighten. It will give you that taut look if that's something that you're going for. I don't know what else in here is going to clear your skin, but there's that. All right, so let's look at our insert. So first is the Morning Radiance Tea. This is low caffeine. They do have, oh, that's right. They don't put the coupon code on here anymore. You have to go on your Sips By the site and get the coupon there, but there is one for this. The spearmint apparently is good for your skin, so that's cool. The Zest Tea is coffee level caffeine, so there's that. We already talked about the ingredients for that one. The cookie tea contains caffeine, so I'm believing it's a higher caffeine because it is a black tea. White, green, black in that order of caffeine level. Black is the highest, white is the lowest. So that has a lot of caffeine. And then the Good Hope vanilla is caffeine free. And all of those have an offer on the Sips By page if you're interested in that. So that is everything that I received in my March box from Sips By. If you're interested in checking them out, I will link to them below. I'll also link to my full review, like I said. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday. I'll see you next time. Bye.